You open MS Word, right? Oh, sorry, Excel. Firstly, I know that what is the difference between relative macro and absolute macro, right? Okay, sir, do you know how to record the macro? What is shortcut key? Okay. There are three ways, right? You know, right? Otherwise, go to status bar, view, developer, right? So, what is shortcut key? Learning lessons, right? Okay. LR, art, LR, right? Is okay? So I put here macro name, right? You see, macros don't have the space. Okay? Macros don't give the space. You write here absolute macro. Absolute, that is okay, right? Absolute is okay. Then click OK, right? Sometimes you write a company name, right? Every report, right? Every page. You can type yourself, right? Yes. Then I type here Malaha, Logistics, LLC, right? Then detail of insurance period June 30, 2024. Control B, bold, cursor is there, that sign, big size, right? As you like. Underline. This one you bold, change the color. These things I'm doing, right? These things you want every time new worksheet, same place, right? A1. You want to copy, right? So that is and record the macro, right? This one I record macro only. Which steps you are doing, all steps are recorded, right? I'm just doing 3 steps only. Do you know what is the shortcut key again for stop macro? Same. For record macro and stop macro, same shortcut key. Alt LR. You press again Alt LR. Okay. You see right now again come back. Record macro, right? You go to sheet number 2. You see here macros. You see sir absolute. You see record run. You see your heading is typing, right? I go to next sheet. You see here macros. In the center, you see what macro name? Absolute, right? Run. Right? But in the same place. Right? That is same place. Okay? But sometimes I want, where is my cursor? There. But this is called absolute macro. Absolute macro means fixed position. Right? Is okay, sir? When you cursor anywhere, then you can put only
this macro is within one workbook or it will apply over
one word. You can set from here, all of you can use that.
So
There is the one personal macro.
if I open a new workbook, I have to see.
Firstly stop. Because this step you are doing. Yeah. At that time, again you is recording it. Firstly stop it. Stop it. You don't press Alt LR again. LR. When you steps are finished, then stop. Because you don't stop, therefore it's doing all four steps. It's okay. Again press Alt F8. Is it clear? That is called the which macro? Absolute macro, right? Absolute macro means same position, right? Okay, sometimes I want, my cursor is here, sometimes you want to create a report, different, right? Sometimes you want to prepare notes to the accounts, right? You want to put here. Sometimes cash flow statement you put here, right? Where is your cursor? You can put the company name, same, right? Same names are repeated. So that is called relative macro. What is called? Relative macro, how can record it, right? Okay, sir? You can type, go again, record macro. What is shortcut key, record macro? Alt LR. You can type here relative macro. Relative, right? Is okay? Click OK. You see here use relative reference. You see option there? Use relative reference, right? You click there, right? Then do steps. Okay? Before and don't select this one. That is called the absolute macro. It's clear? If you record the relative macro, then click on this one first. So then I put here Inspire Training Center. I go to Home tab, give the colors, bold, italic, change style. Then I put here authorized, exam center, British Council, right? Qatar. Then bold, then change the color. This is your underline. Then I can go again developer. Is okay? You see use relative reference, uncheck, then stop. Is okay? You see here macros. My cursor is here, right? You see here relative macro. Macro type here, right? Yes. Is okay, sir? You go to sheet here, maybe cursor is here, right? If you want to type here, right? Then I can again macro, relative macro run, right? So they typing here, right? So what is difference? Absolute macro and relative macro. Is okay? Relative macro means where your cursor, right? Is okay? Sometimes you are rigid saying every time you write the macro benefit is to just click. Then you use shortcut keys also. absolute macro and relative macro. Is it clear? Relative macro means where is your cursor? You can type, right? Absolute macro only one position.
But when I click any cell and I run a macro and I say absolute and I run here,
But,
first one comes.
but it is not full.
Okay, yeah.
They go there.
Okay. So if I click here and I run a macro,
Then is okay.
this doesn't come over.
Yes. Because that's it, you have mistake, right? Sometimes you have mistake, then it is good. Because you don't uncheck, maybe you lose your that.
So this is my absolute.
Yes. Absolute always shows
One cell.
one side.
All these steps that we have created so many sheets, there is no undo after macro. You
No.
cannot undo.
No.
So like in Excel, if you make a mistake to undo, you can't undo.
Yes. Macro you cannot do. Because macro is the steps only. Is okay? This one is clear? Okay, sir? So these things you are see behind some coding also generated. Right? You can check also coding. What codings are there behind, right? You go to macros. You go to macros. You see here edit. Which steps I'm doing here? All steps are recorded here, right? Then behind the generate code, right? You see? Yes. Yes. Right? So that is basically behind the programming, right? Automatically generate. Okay, sir, what is my requirement now, right? I want to develop one form in Excel, right? You just put information in the form. The same form information go to next sheet, right? But here is vertical, here is horizontal, right? So that is called append macro, right? So I'm using both functions, absolute and relative.
So if I give a form to two different people, how is it coming? Both will get same or will
Both you can do also, if you can share. Sometimes you can open share folder, right? One open, one is not able to do, right? You can do also. You should have a corner or a sheet.
I'm
You
giving
give
it,
the rights.
I'm giving it to all of
Yes.
this.
If you can give the rights,
Yeah.
then both you can do at the same time.
Okay. And both will share, get same?
Yes. Is okay? Okay, sir, right now you create a new one, Control N. I need two sheets. First sheet you can double click here, form, right? Second sheet is called database. A tab color red, database color is green, a blue, right? Can I design the form here? Name, program, city, free. I just select this one, bold. I give the color red, text color is white. I put here big size there, right? I give the light color is there, right? Can I select all together? Control 1. You see border, color white, outside border, inside border, click OK. Like this you can see, right? So I have designed one form, right? Here are separate, you can see, right? Also. You don't give the outline is white, then you don't segregate the column, right? So this is I have designed one form, right? Name, program, city and field. So I can put here the data entry form, right? Can I select both? How can merge? Alt HMC. Alt HMC is the shortcut key for merge. Alt HMC. MC. Alt HMC. Merge center. Is okay? I have designed one form. Can you put here data entry form? I put here data entry form. Control B. Then press Alt double H. Alt double H. Then KFC bucket is coming, right? Alt 2 time H. You see bucket is coming. Can choose the color. Then text color white, right? It's okay. Can you put the names? I firstly put the name, right? Program, Advanced Excel, City, Doha, fees, how much? Special discount? Company pay. Then company pay 2,500, right? Is okay, sir? Then go to cell styles, comma 0, right? Okay, sir. First entry you can pass yourself, right? First entry you pass yourself. Okay. Firstly, create a structure in which form you need a database. But here your database is column, right? But I need database another sheet, heading in the top and second row, right? That is called transpose, right? Transpose, right? So I'm using the one shortcut key here also. Firstly, I select the database name. Firstly, I select only the first one, record. Just copy. Control C. Can go to the next sheet, database. I cursor here, right? You press here Alt ES. Alt ES is the shortcut key, paste special. Alt ES is the shortcut key for paste special, right? This is universal key. Universal key means any version of Excel. That's it. Some keys are fixed. This key is universal key. Universal key, any version of Excel. Before, older, new one. You see here transpose. Which letter underline? E. Press again E. Just press E only. Just press E only, right? So what is shortcut key? ESE. Right? Or ESE. Otherwise, you can go paste option, transpose. Otherwise, right click with mouse, transpose. Okay, sir? So this is called a transpose. Okay. You see my data move. Then I can select here Alt O C W. Alt O C W is the shortcut key, column width. Right, sir? What is shortcut key? Alt O C W. Then I put column width. Maybe put here 15. So my columns are equally distributed, right? Is okay? Alt O C W. My column width are equally. Maximum is coming no need to autofill. Right? So I just put the name form settle no, right? Is it clear up to this one? Up to this one, no need mistake, right? Next, right on doing all steps. When I record a macro, after this nobody can mistake. You doing follow my steps, right? Which steps I'm doing, you are same step you are doing. When stop, then stop. Is okay? Okay, so can you come back on form? Firstly, put new name, right? It's okay. I put a new name. Karen, MS Office, low sale, 3,500. I just move cursor here, right? Okay, sir. What I want now, I want to move this data next sheet, right? Already record is entered, but don't overlap, right? Go to the next row and paste, right? So that is called append data, right? Using it. Okay, sir? So what I'm doing now, how to record macro? What is shortcut key? Alt LR, right? You press here Alt LR. You put macro name move data, right? Move data. Okay, sir? Yeah, move racket, anything you write. You can give shortcut key also here. You see control plus box. Shift key hold, press M. Shift key hold, press M. Automatically shortcut key define also. What's the shortcut key? Control Shift M. What means you can run macro through this shortcut key. No need to go macro and run. Right, sir? So I'm using this shortcut key also.
But it can be control plus something also.
Yes, but sometimes control plus, sometimes duplicate is already assigned.
C, control V, then.
Not other. Is already assigned, it's not accepting. Right? The new one is okay. It's clear? Up to this one is clear? Okay, sir, what I'm doing now, after recording, no mistake, right? Then I click OK. Can I select only name? Because heading is already there, right? I just keep this record, right? Control C, copy. Is okay. First step I'm recorded, right? Click on the database sheet. Can you click on the A1? Is okay. If you want to go the last record, what press? Control down arrow. One time, right? Control key hold. One time press down arrow. It's okay. What give instructions? Go to the last record. Okay, sir? Maybe 10 names are there. Go to the 10th one. After this, I give instructions. Go down one row, right? Then I click here, use relative reference. If you don't click this one, then this record is overlapped, right? Okay. So Rajiv Kumar is finished, new overlap. Okay, sir? So that is absolute macro. You don't click on this. You click on this first, use relative reference. One time only, right? Press simple down arrow. Is okay, sir? What is shortcut key transpose? Alt E S E, right? Otherwise, you can right click here. You see here transpose. You don't memorize shortcut key also, right? Just right click with mouse, transpose. Data is moving. Okay, sir? Can you click on the last one? I just click on the last one, right? I give instruction, go to next one, right? It's okay. Then use relative reference, uncheck. Uncheck this step. Then I come back from, you see line is blinking, delete. Can I click on the name? My cursor come back the name, right? My form is complete, right? I give all instructions, what are you doing? Is okay, sir? What is shortcut key for stop recording? Alt LR, right? You press here Alt LR. Is clear? You see, let me check here developer, and you see there is record macro again, right? Is okay, sir? Clear? Okay, sir, what I'm doing here, I'm create one button also, right? I create one button also, then control with buttons, right? Macro control with button. Then I can go here, developer. You see, sir, here insert control. You see first option there, button form control. Can you click button? You drag it, right? When I drag it, when backend window is open, right? That window shows assign macro, right? Which macro you would like to assign? Move bracket, move data, right? Okay. Then click OK. Then I can double click here. Can I change here? Move bracket, right? Then you can bigger one. Button is coming. Can you put the new name, sir, here? Can you put new name? Then I put here Mubarak. Advanced Excel. City is Al-Khor. How much amount? 10,000. It's okay? You see button is there? Click on button. Let's click on button, right? But one problem you are facing, right? Your screen are flickering, right? Then I need a tablet, proofing, a moxel, right? Then this control, right? Flickering, don't show flickering. My macro run very smoothly, right? Nobody knows the macro run. Yeah, right? If you write down macro run, what happens? Screen are flickering, right? See, I just put a new name, right? I put a new name. Which program? Oracle. City, Doha. Is expensive, 15,000. What is shortcut key also? You define, assign shortcut key also, right? Yes, you can use also. Control key hold, shift key hold, M. Macro run, right? Right? Control shift M is also run, right?
Can make the line stick. Yesterday we should do like this line so we get this from right side.
Is okay, sir, up to this one? Further button ring flickering, right? How can you control the flickering screen? Before macro is running, screen is flickering, right? You can check, sir, here. Otherwise, your recording is available. You can see recording also, right, sir? Macros. You see move data. You see move data here. You see, sir, edit. The all coding is here, right? You see? Do you see option? Range, right? You see option is there. Macro name, move data, right? Then put stop, right? First thing button range, select the cell, right? What cell is selected as use the formula range, right? Range double quotes C2, C3 to C6. Dot select, right? What is further and range? Copy, right? Okay, sir? That I use the selection dot copy, right? What is next step I'm doing? Click on the database sheets, right? Then use the command is sheets, right? Which database sheet select? That choose select, right? What is next step I'm doing? Click on A1, right? Right, sir? Range double quotes A1 dot select. What is next step I'm doing? Control down arrow. Right, sir? Go to the last cycle. So that function I'm using here, right? Selection dot end extend down, right? What is then using? Relative reference. Then I use formula here, active cell offset. Right? So offset first part is called row. What I'm giving? Go to the one row down, right? So these are coding, right? Then what I'm doing? Transpose. In page special. Which function I'm using? Transpose. So transpose is true. Rest of it is inactive, right? What I'm doing now further? Again go to, after paste, then you go to the last column, right? Column 4. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because offset starts from 0. Okay? Offset starts from 0. I'm using formula also offset. Then it's clear, right? That is called the next one. Again I come back, restrict form. Then press delete, right? Clear content. Then can select C3. So these steps are recorded, right? Is okay. Then what I'm doing now here, I want to control, my screen is flickering. I just add 2 lines are here, right? Before range, I press enter. You can type here application. you can type here application dot screen updating. You see option there, screen updating. Tab, equal sign. You see there are two options are there, true and false. Is okay? You click on true. Then I come the last line, right? You see last one, range C3 dot select, right? Okay, sir. Enter. Here you can put false. Same line, application dot screen updating equal false. That's it, right? This is basically is tablet to control, right? Flickering. No need blanket, right? In the cold season, too much cold, right? So like this one, you need blanket, right? So I just give the blanket. So this is you go to application dot screen updating equal false.
Then we copy also.
Yeah, just change last one. Is okay. I just updating two lines, right? Application dot screen updating true. First time this screen updating is true, right? Then again off, right? Screen should be off. Is okay, sir? Then press Control S. Control S. You can put the Control S file save, but this file should be macros enabled, not Excel add-in. Alright? So you put here append data. The file name is Excel macros enabled. If you don't save this type, right? Excel macros enabled. So next time this file macro is not running. Right, sir? When you file save it, the Excel macro is enabled, then it's okay. It is simple Excel workbook to save it, but next time the coding is not there. You can again record. It's okay. Save. If you already saved, yeah, if you don't do, then you can go file, save as, then you change. You can do, right? If you forget, you will save our routine and routines Excel workbook, right? But you can create a copy, right? Go to file, save as, just change the save type, then asking you the place, you can replace. Is okay, sir? After this, I click this one, save. Yes. Then I come back, Excel logo. I put new name, right? I put here Amit. SAP. City, which city is very Pearl, right? Pearl is expensive city. How much charge, sir? 45,000.
He's Amir anyway.
Amir, right? Very big city, right? Other than Doha. Then click move record, right, sir? Right now you see the screen. What happened? Screen, right? You can check your screen is not flickering.
But, yeah,
But I don't know why it's not coming. You can check, right? But your screen is not flickering.
it is
No flickering.
it is.
Is it again?
It's flickering. It's flickering.
And it's better.
No, flickering.
Flickering again. Okay, let me check. But this is the coding. Let me check. But this screen not control. That's your idea, right? How can you use the macro, right? This is one macro basically. You have sometimes very big payload. You need a statistics, right? Yes, sometimes you have a database, you want to fill the forms. Then you use another macro, printing macro, right? Printing. You just click one button. I put a VLOOKUP right in my sheets. I just click one button, right? Automatically data fetch and print. No need press control key. Control key. No need. Automatically data will give the name. From this record to this record, I need a salary slips. Right? You just click one button. Automatically your printing starts. Right? I show you. Right? Tomorrow. This is a fresh. I need fresh mind. Okay? So these things are bringing macros again for printing macro. Right? I prepare, I will show you. I prepare for the school. You know in the school, 4 portion of the challan, right? 1 key for school, 1 key bank, 1 key parents, 1 you have accounts. Right? Why have designed in Pakistan 1 school, a live school, right? There are 500 students. So I just leave. I just show, then I can put a macro behind it. I just click one button. I am doing same exercise right now, one night only. Here, she working right now medical center, right? Nusrata. Maybe you see the Almora. Right? She is working there. So she make the invoices one by one. I tell you why to make so many invoices. 25 sheets open. Each invoice separate. Why make only 2 sheets? One sheet to our database, one in your invoice file. Just leave, right? Just like your forms. Customer request form, right? The database there, automatically your form fill, right? Access. This access is you doing one by one. Yes. Mail merge you can use also. Mail merge.
But here the macro is within the worksheet.
Yes.
In our cases, we have a form which is from the ship, and in office, I want to shift to another master sheet. Let's call it.
Yes. You can use here macros, personal macro. If you can record, this is this workbook macro, right? When you record the macro, there are 3 options there. You see new workbook, this workbook, personal macro. When you record this personal macro, then you can use any workbook. You just change, right? Is okay? So this is the one thing is here. You can check, you see only, you can check you have a folder, Inspire. You click on VLOOKUP folder. You see VLOOKUP folder? You see sir, salary slip M27. You click there, right? You see I have designed one salary slip here. You see one salary slip? All record is there, right? All payroll is there, right? You have this sheet? Right? I put serial number because for those working on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? I put serial number. Then I can go to salary slip. I give the number here, right? I put 1 here. The first salary slip is come, right? You can check here. Just put 1. First record is coming. You put 2. Second record is coming. Then I control with spin button. You see? My salaries are changed or no?
Suppose I want to know a specific person, so I should go and check the number first.
Yes. Right? Then I can put macro, right? Okay, first from which salary to which record you want to print. Then I put a macro behind it.
But why there are 2 up-down buttons? They
I
are
just show.
different.
You see, I give here 1 to 5. Right? So I can control which cell also.
Go to number 2 and again put it.
Automatic count, right? If you printer install in your laptop here, printer.
Yes, but not connected to all.
No problem. The printer is installed, right? You have printer level installed? Okay. You open this sheet. Open this one. Okay, so these things I'm doing tomorrow, right? This macro I'm doing tomorrow. How can leave, right? It's okay. I'm also control with range. I don't have control right now in range, right? So I can put here. I want to paint only second to fourth record. Otherwise, every time you come on a programming, change, right? To change the loop, right? But I don't want to go back coding. You give the information on the Excel sheet only.
7 to 12.
Yes. You don't want to paint all. Right before the working. Yeah, which is your order right before the working. The network handles low, right? Here. But this system will only get it filter. It filter your own state. Then automatically this is the way you can do, right? Okay, sir, this one is clear. Okay, sir, can you open new one? You go to this sheet. You see, sir, one folder is there, offset. You click on offset. You see, sir, here two-way scrolling charts. You click on the two-way scrolling chart. You see my scrolling chart here, right? I click here. You see charts are changed. You see here also products.
In my thing, the arrow is not showing.
This one,
Yeah,
you showing.
not showing.
You just click there. It's coming. So how can you do this task, right? So sir, I'm using the offset formula today, right? What is offset? Offset basically is the flexible ranges. Okay, sir? Offset formula basically for the flexible ranges. Okay. I'm using here what is the syntax of offset. First part is called reference cell, then rows, then columns, then height and width. How many parameters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parameters in offset, right? Okay, sir. Right now I came back. The next one. You click on sheet number 2. Okay, sir. Sheet number 2. I put here customers. Maybe products are customers. Qatar Gas, Qatar Energy. Ansar Gallery, Saudi Supermarket, Family, Food Center. What in Safari? What in next one? Which one? Lulu. Muhammad Yusuf, right? Okay, next one. Gabon, right? And don't miss Philippine people also. Okay, next one. Mall of Qatar, right? MOQ. Vendor Mall, right, sir? Okay, sir, can you put here, sir, Jan dash 24? Can you drag it, sir, up to April, up to March, next year, March? Okay, sir. How many months total? 15, right? Is okay, sir? 15 months. Yes, miss. How can, which formula are you using for the numbers, sales? I select up to this one, right? Which formula I'm using? Fun numbers. Is okay, sir?
This one is 1. This will 1. Then all A values will like this.
I show you, right? Okay, sir. How can put the numbers?
Random.
Rand between, right? Is equal to rand between formula. I'm using here, right? Equal rand between. You put here 10, comma 150. Okay, sir. Control enter. Very good. Control enter. At the same time, values come. It's okay. How can remove formula?
Control C
Very good.
and paste pressure.
Yes. Right. Then I go to values. Right. Alt H V. You see, sir. Alt H V. Paste option is coming. Again V values. Enter. Can you press here, sir? Control A. What is shortcut key? Column out of it.
OCA.
Alt O C A. Alt O C A. Make column out of it, right? Is okay, sir? What is border? What is shortcut key border? Yes. Border. You go to first class of English.
AB.
BA. Okay, sir. Alt H BA. Alt H BA. Borders come. Is okay, sir. Alt O R E. Row height. You press here. Alt O R E. Row height, right? You put here 18. My row is big one. Then Alt H AC. Alt H AC. Is the shortcut key center, right? H AC. I'm doing this all those things, right? Before 3 days before, right? They are just using no, right? It's okay, sir? I'm using same, right? I'm telling you, just keep your tool in your bag. In coming days, I'm asking you, right?
You will make a sheet and put it next to the computer.
Yeah. You know, like this one, your fingers like this, running no, right? It's okay, sir? Can you tell me right now, if you want to select this one, how can select? Generate to this, Control Shift right arrow, Control B, Alt double H, Use color, right? Alt H FC, white color, right? No is okay. Alt O CA, column out of it, right? You can select here, right? Control Shift down arrow. Alt H AL, left. Control B, bold. Alt H FC, color, right? You press Alt double H. Bold. Okay, sir, if you have this database, you have, right? This one. Can you create a chart on this database? Chart is good looking. Can you show chart quarter wise? First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, right? Then it's very easy, right? Okay. How can do exercise here, right? For example. So firstly I learn about it offset formula. First I learn about it offset formula. Then I control with scroll bar. Okay. Scroll bar button. Do you know, sir, what is the how many part of your offset? I write formula here, equal offset, tab. I click any reference cell. My reference cell is A4, right? For example, this is my sheet. I'm write formula here, equal offset. I give the reference cell of this one, right? E5. You look at it, that my reference cell, okay? You know in that graph, like this, right? That is your origin, right? What position is there? 0 row, 0 column, right? What is this position? 0, 0. Same is offset, right? Same is offset. This position, this is a reference cell, right? So here is the position 0 row, 0 column. Okay? If we want to pick this value, 119, how to pick using the offset formula? If you want to pick upper value also, you can do it. You pick left set value, you can pick also. Right? You move anywhere, right, left, up, down. You want to pick, right? You want to pick here, this value maybe 70, okay? You can check what is the position is here, 0, 0, right? When the reference cell shows the point is 0 column, 0 row. Okay? If I want to move here, 1, 2, go to the second row, right? Then I'm telling 0, 1, 2, right? If I pick there, 2, 2. So what option is coming? Which values are coming? Then I put here comma, second row, second column. Is okay, sir? I don't want to go further, right? Don't go height and don't go what to width. I guide you where I use it also, right? Is okay? Up to this one is closed. Enter. You can check which value pick. Here is the reference side. What the position is here? 0. This is 1 and 2, right? Here also 0, 1, 2. What value? It's okay because match function starts from 1, but offset function starts from 0. It's okay? Is that clear? Okay, sir, why I need here is a very big database. If you want to pick only first 3 quarter, right? First 3 months. Then I give the cell reference here. Then I want to pick April to June. Right, sir? Next I want to pick July to August. Right? July, August, then September. Then October, November, December. Then January, February, March. If you want to pick 6 months also, you can do. If you want to pick 1 month skip, you can do also. It's up to you, right? So I want to using the offset formula here. I just write formula here equal offset. I give this cell reference A1. Okay, A1 is your reference point, comma. You want to pick customer also, right? You don't want to pick customer, you want to go last one, then put 1. But I want to pick heading also. So I put 0, comma. Can you give the cell reference anyone? For column, I giving the cell reference this one, right? This cell, maybe. Is the blank cell considered as 0. Okay? Blank cell considered as 0. Okay, sir? I give the cell reference, this cell should be locked, right? This cell should be locked because on the basis of this, I want to data moving, right? Is okay, sir? Press enter. I can just, for your reference, I just click, right? You know, right? This is my cell reference. You easily understand now, right? Bold, center. If I formula copy here up to there, then I can go down, right? Up to this one. You see my data is picking because this is the date format, Control Shift 3. You press here Control Shift 3, then the format is coming. Same format you copy, maybe format painter you put here. But last column no need, right? I put quarterly. Alt E double A, clear all. I just give color. I just different colors maybe. Right now you can check, sir, here, right? My values are here. This one you try it copy paste only is better. This one you can just copy paste, okay? Just copy paste here because this don't want to change. I just change on this. Okay, sir, I want to put here 3. If I put 3 here, my April, May, June data fetch, right? This is, sir, my data is coming from April 32, 61 and 54. Is okay? If I put here 6, which data come? July, August, September, right? Can I put here 9? October, November, December, right? Can I put here, sir, 12? So which data is coming? January, right? Is okay, sir? I put 0. Then January, February, March, right? Is okay, sir? Then I write here yes. Then I put here, sir, title also, right? I'm using here title is equal to double quotes sales of sales from, then add sign. I give the reference of this month, right? Jan. Then I use and sign, double quote space, 2, again space this one, right? Then again add sign. I give the reference of last one, D14. You see my titles are changed like this one, right? Because that value shows are here. Then I use here formula here text, T-E-X-T text, comma, double quotes, MMM dash YY, then bracket close. Same formula I'm using here also, text, then comma, D14, comma, double quotes, MMM dash YY, double quote close, bracket close. Because I want to join text link with my this cell, right? Because this cell is link change, right, from there, right? If the chart shows which period, this chart shows January to March. Next time data shows April to June, right? This is your dynamic chart type. Done this? Press enter. Done. Are you got it, brother? Are you got it, this one? So okay, sir. Why are working this one? Because chart is also very good looking, right? Okay, sir. Therefore, I am working here. My period also shows. When you create a dashboard, then it's very good, right? No need to change. Sometimes data is relevant January, but your title shows March, right? So irrelevant. Okay, sir. Can you select this one also? Control A. Do you know how can insert a chart? Alt. Yes. Alt F1. Right, sir? You see chart is coming, this one. Otherwise you can use here another one, right? Go to insert, chart. I maybe use here 3D chart like this, right? Maybe this one. Is okay, sir? Chart is coming. Can you give the chart title link, equal sign, give the reference of this cell, right? Enter. So chart title shows same, right? So my chart title shows like this one, right? This chart title from January to March, right? Is okay? Can you put here 3? Chart title also change, right? So this chart from April to June, right? Is okay, miss? This one is clear. What time further refined? This one you can maybe small size, right? This one. Maybe give color also, light color. You put down maybe, right? This is the plot area, you can select plot area. You can bigger, little bit up, right? Then bold, change the color. Can you insert, sir, here? Insert shapes. I put a rectangle bar in the graph, in the top here. You see, give the color, shape outline, no outline, shape effect, shadow. So my chart like this, right? Just go to insert shapes, right? Pick shapes because I want to put here scroll bar, right? The scroll bar, if you put scroll bar is not looking, right? Because the background also gray and scroll bar also gray. I just create a base, right? Is okay? Do you know, sir? Last time doing spin button, right? You know where is spin button? Developer, right? I click on developer. You see here a developer. You see insert control. You see, sir, here scroll bar. You don't pick from down. You pick from the form control. You see option there, scroll bar. You see scroll bar? Click. Then I drag it here, scroll bar, you see. I draw a scroll bar here, right? Is okay? Can it control scroll bar with this button? Because this button is showing quarter, right? You see already how many months shows? 3 months, right? I don't have to.
Yeah, for me also not so much.
Yeah, to draw it. Is okay, sir? You just right click. You just right click here. You see, sir, here format control. You, sir, put minimum value 0, maximum value. How much giving? How many total months? 15. He already showed, right? He already showed January, February, March. So 15 minus 3. 12. You put maximum number of 12. Right? You put maximum number is 12. Incremental change 3. Right? 0 plus 3. Then 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12, right? Make quarter bar changing, right? And if you put this one, this is your scroll bar here, the button is there, right? If you click here, this how much change? This also change 3, right? Maybe click on arrow, maybe you click on this bar. You see one bar is there. This also change, right? Page change 3. You click on there, page change 3. You see cell link. Can I click this one, which is the link means offset, right? Okay, sir. Which is linked with my offset cell, right? And click OK. Is clear? Because it comes 0, right? If you click here, you see bar is there. You click bar, automatically month change, right? You click bar again. You click bar again. You can click arrow also, right? Like this.
Arrow is showing.
Other this one just copy paste from the customer name is copy paste, right? You have me? Chart not
Paste value only. So select that and paste value. Then it becomes fixed. There is no problem.
that's the way you can present your database, right? You want to show your charts, not very full month, right? You can show half month also, right? You can take up to 6 months to show 6 months. Also do that. It's up to you. If you otherwise you press one only. You press one only. They skip 1 month. You see, when you press here one, February, March, April coming, right? You press 2, March, April, May, right? Is okay? How many months you want to skip? So I want to quarterly, then put quarterly, right? Is okay done? Okay, right now you can take break 10 minutes. Okay, then I come next one. The next topic is called append data from folder. Right? And non-financial and financial both doing. Okay, sir? Up to this one.